Hi, my name is Rajesh Babu. I am the CEO and Managing Director of MIROX Cybersecurity, based out of Kerala, Technopark. We are a cybersecurity company, a dedicated cybersecurity company, working for the past 10 years. And we are a government empaneled organization for auditing and assessing the security issues. So currently we have around working strength of around 25 people working across in India and international market. And we have dominating certain areas which in terms of security level. So those areas we are always keep on exploring and keep on expanding our possibilities. And in terms of certain security aspects, when we came to know about there are data growth is immensely happening in India, we thought about to see what potential that we can work out for securing the, especially to the government data and the corporate data. Now India's data is something growing up in a very massive stage compared to the worldwide. It is something more than 50 times ahead now we are. Now what we are doing is that we are looking for a partner in which we can work out the balance, the data security. Now balance security means it doesn't mean that we cause 100% we are securing the data. It means we need to give them a reliability, continuity and expandability. So that's why we thought about to work out some partnership with some of the leading countries, data providers and cloud providers. Now we came to later we came to know about the ESDS. ESD is one of the country's leading data centers. So we thought that we should partner with the ESDS because they have a good clientele at the moment. And we are looking for a strong partner, so which can support our clients like in terms of DR and BCP, which is very sensitive area, and most of our clients are looking forward to have a secure DR and BCP models. Certain clients, they have their own customized and defined, and based on that we find always challenge in providing these solutions. So then we have talks with many other vendors in the market, especially the other leading cloud providers, but based on the flexibility we see that nothing comes favorable to or maybe suitable to us specific for our clients. So what we done is that we have create a strategic plan with the ECDS to expand possibilities in the Kerala market. So now we are going to start working with the ECDS in DR and the BCP, in which we felt that this partnership is going to be very good. I think that ECDS have all the capabilities and we do have all the capabilities in terms of cybersecurity. So both the companies can gain in their domain in much better than any other compared to other competitions. We can recommend to the ESDS to other partners. The reason is that ES is made in India. One of the reason is that. Second thing is that they are close proximity to our contacts. Third thing is that they have a wide clientele over here. So the trust and reliability is there. So that is one thing. Security is also we need to have to see into depth, but it is frequently we need to map it and audit it accordingly. So that part MIROX will take care of it.